Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn old plastic bags into fun and colorful pom-poms. Take a plastic carry bag. Cut off the bottom and the top handle portions. From the handle portion, make a small loop and keep it aside. Cut the plastic bag into thin strips. Open each strip and place them securely on your arm, making sure they don't get tangled. Take the plastic loop and insert it through the strips. Transfer all the strips into one hand. Secure the top part tightly with a string. Take the strips out and cut it open. Trim the ends to adjust the length if you want them shorter. For a thicker pom-pom, simply add more strips. And that's it, your pom-pom is ready. I've also made another one using a yellow plastic bag. Which one do you like best? I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY craft.